Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to resize a Canva template to fit your exact dimensions. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open Canva, then navigate to the template you want to resize. Once you have your design open on your screen, you'll be ready to begin the resizing process. Now direct your attention to the top toolbar of your Canva workspace. You'll see a button labeled Resize. Click on this button to access all the resizing options available for your current design. This is the central hub where you can adjust your template dimensions to match any platform or format you need. After clicking Resize, a menu will appear showing you several recommended design sizes that Canva suggests based on popular formats like Instagram posts, Facebook covers, or presentation slides. However, if these presets don't match your needs, simply click on Custom Size. This option gives you complete control to enter any dimensions you want, which is especially useful when you're working with specific requirements for print materials, digital ads, or custom displays. Next, you'll notice a unit menu right beside the dimension fields. Click on this menu and select your preferred measurement unit. You can choose from pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters depending on what works best for your project. For digital designs, pixels are typically the standard, while inches or millimeters work better for print materials. Now it's time to enter your specific dimensions. Click on the width field and type in your desired width. For this example, type 1080. Then move to the height field and click on it. Type in your desired height, which in this case would be 1920. These dimensions would create a vertical design perfect for Instagram stories or similar vertical content formats. Once you've entered your custom dimensions, you'll see two options. You can either select Resize, which will change your current design to the new dimensions, or you can choose Copy and Resize. The second option is particularly helpful because it creates a brand new resized version while keeping your original template completely untouched. This way, you still have the original to fall back on if needed. After making your selection, give Canva a few moments to process and open your resized design. The system needs a bit of time to recalculate all the elements and adjust them to fit the new canvas size, so be patient during this step. Once the resized design opens, take a moment to carefully review the entire layout. Sometimes when dimensions change significantly, text boxes, images, or graphic elements might shift position or change size in ways you didn't expect. If you notice anything that looks off, simply click on those elements and reposition or resize them manually to restore the look you want. When everything looks perfect and you're satisfied with how your resized design turned out, click on Share in the top right corner, then select Download from the drop-down menu. This will export your newly resized design so you can use it wherever you need. And that's it. You've successfully resized your Canva template to custom dimensions. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.